everyone, this is Ben Terry here, and welcome to Space Agency, a space sandbox game. I'm gonna start and play it, either sandbox, career, or quick play. I shall start you off with sandbox. So this game, you can basically create whatever you want in space. So we can build rockets and space stations, satellites. So I'm just gonna start off with a satellite. And I'll just start building up. Be taking a satellite out. Let's take the Delta 2. And then we're going to need the payloads, and we're going to take a satellite out. And let's get our fairings. Let's grab the standard, or can we put this in? No. Standard. Let's add some boosters. Solid boosters, long march, solid. I'm using these. Okay, I think we are ready for liftoff. 11, 10. Here we go. We are starting off. Here we go. So the boosters and the rocket have started. And once we reach a high enough altitude, we have to turn. And it'll tell us in the top left-hand corner. Like now. Come on. Okay, there we go. We might soon have to detach because we will run out of fuel. But now we just wait. Boosters have run out. Boosters have been detached. Okay. Going to detach. Come on. And okay, let's detach. And here we go. We are starting off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so now we are in an orbit of Earth. That waypoint over there that says star, that's the International Space Station. And I wonder if we want to get there. Nah, I'm just kidding. We need to actually take the satellite to the next level and bring him out. The music is also very nice. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, no. Let's go out. Let's make a bit of an outer orbit. Okay. Okay. About to do this in 3, 2. Okay. Satellite has been taken out. There we go. So now we have a satellite. Now let's go and build something else. I think let's build a big rocket. A real big rocket. So let's start with the core stage. And then let's bring in that, I guess. Nah, that won't look good. And we're gonna need to add one of these. No, this. Then we're gonna need to add this. Now that we have this, you can go off now. We are going to be basically doing a re-entry. Basically. So, lunar module ascend, lunar module descend. Explosive module. No. Okay, never mind. Let's go here, nothing here. Oh, it should be here. Yeah. No, not that one. Medium stages. Let's go. Where is it? There it is. Let's plop that in. Let's grab this. Whoa, 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 before. What? What? This. No, this. Sorry, wrong one. Medium stages, grab this. Let's see. Let's add, we'll need a lot of CO2. Oxygen, and some water. Okay, and now let's add, no, not there, pharynx. Let's add that. I think let's add some boosters to make this thing look good. That's too tiny. Oh wait, yeah, this is a bigger rocket. No. We want to have these. There we go. Here we go. So this is just going to be a re-entry kind of thing. And then I will have a goal of this playlist. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I do have one goal for this playlist, is to complete at least 2 levels. Come on. To complete at least 2 levels. And right now I think I'm a bit stuck on this one. Level 2 is pretty hard. We have to get to the space station and give it oxygen. It needs oxygen and water. And it needs some refueling as well. So what we have to kind of do is get there. Come on. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, we're out. Let's go, tap, and let's go. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we are in the second stage. We are plopping up. And we are ready to go. Here we go. Make it into space. Okay, we are now in space. Luckily, we are out of range of the satellite, so we don't explode. And stop. Gotta bring our velocity down. Now we're going to be heading down into Earth's orbit and down into the atmosphere. As you can see, we are slowly descending. This blue outer line is the atmosphere, and here we go. Okay, we are starting. Come on, there are people. There are people. No! Is this the wrong one? No! Don't explode! Okay, I think I kind of wasted some carbon dioxide there. But we basically just need to get there. Okay. Wrong one. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay, we're dropping in the atmosphere. Almost at the parachute area. We're getting there. Getting there. We're almost there. And settle. Parachute. So there we go. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos like this. And this is just the start of the series. And probably the next video I'll try to complete level 2. If I can't, I'll try again another time. We are now dropping into the ocean and dropping. We should be doing okay. There is the water. And here we go. The people of America are saved. Okay. Well, that was Sandbox mode. And I'm certainly going to be enjoying this. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.